Dreams that signify that you have a spirit spouse. Part 1. Someone comes to sleep with you in your dreams. It doesn't matter if you're half awake. It could be someone you're familiar with, a stranger, a celebrity, or even your significant other. It's a demon manipulating you into being tied to them. They also appear to children as so-called wet dreams. Pray for your kids.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
When you have dreams of living a life with a husband or wife where you have kids, that's a spirit spouse manipulating a life with you in the spiritual realm. This can make you unable to conceive or get anyone pregnant in the physical realm. Be careful, as union with a spirit spouse has detrimental consequences that affect your finances and well-being. If you have dreams of feeding a newborn baby after constantly having XXX with someone in your dreams, this means that you were impregnated and just had a baby for a spirit spouse. Side note, it is important to understand that whatever this spirit spouse is doing is without your consent. It latches onto you and does what it wants. That is why it's important to pray them away. It creates a my sexual abuser became my spouse type situation, but in the spiritual realm. Like and follow Jamaican True Stories for more.